welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to talk about Substack versus Medium, which platform is right for you in 2022. So guys, I am here on my Substack account. Substack, if you don't know, is a newsletter platform, email list building platform, free, and you can send blogs or any sort of videos to your subscribers, email subscribers, and you can make them paid newsletters or free newsletters. And on the other hand, we have Medium. So Medium is a platform, a blogging platform, in which writers write their stories and they get paid via members read time. So both platforms are very important. On Substack, there is a problem with domain authority because your articles don't show up on Google. On the other hand, there is a high domain authority for Medium. Your articles are shown on Google and have very high authority. So guys, both platforms have pros and cons. You can it's up to you which platform you want to decide to go with. You should study both of these platforms thoroughly and decide if you want more views. I would suggest you go with Substack because your stories goes directly to the emails and people will read it. However, if you want more domain authority, you should go with Medium. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in comment section below what you guys think, and consider subscribing and press the bell notification bar. Thank you so much.